Yes, now, yes. Why not the ring like this?
No, bros, they say one of the Ramina, Sonny Bobo, they say one of the.
Okay, Sonny Bobo. I don't they wait use for you since. I know they go straight and they come.
Thank you, very much.
Okay, now they go straight and they come.
Things say they white.
Come. I don't understand. Not that door. What's happening now? Why you the Miss Waka now? Think I tell you, you see this house. Now 5 and shower they need this room. So you see that place, now I'm no but honestly fine. You understand? So this house when you did, like you do in here, you go see in here.
It's shocking.
Well, look, you did the set, you know we're for trouble.
A few moments later.
They say everywhere.
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
I don't, you don't ready to carry this house. So I know say you the one that say I bed, how everything they did that. Yes. Now one woman with the husband one day before, when I get 3 children, and they don't run come out go Germany, and then they hold me. You understand? Now they pursue them and they run by themselves. So I pray you
oh my God.
Hold me so that they don't run. No. You understand? No, you go run by yourself. Yes, but I not say it's very essential. Yeah. So I tell you now, you see plasma there. This house, the rule of this house must stay well. But I know they play for this house. You understand? Yes, rule of this house be say you will go toilet once in a day. You dey get how you talk. When you go toilet once in a day, you go bath once in a day. If you bath, go walk. Or if you come back for work, you bath. How you decide what you go do? Either you bath go work or you come back you bath. But once in a day, you understand? You see my pot when I get, if you use 2 pots cook, I will come check and whether anyone you spoil anyone. And any pot when you spoil, you will pay.
Here is God.
No pot for this thing. You not ready to carry us. Yes, if you not ready, tell me. People dey now. You know. Say that attention in this listen. No. Sit down. To carry this house dey your hand. Yes, sir. You go abide to my law. Yes, sir. You hear that if woman come her this house, no only once in a week, only Sunday. Now woman will take the find you come. And if she come for morning before 12 someone don't come out. If you not come out, no but for you. If you not come out, you go pay her strength of the bill when she go use after, let me say from 6 to 12 na many hours now. You go calculate later na your own that one. But once that 12 pass, she will pay for lights, she will pay for gas, she will pay for her strength. No but if you not agree, come out. People many. Shey you see come when I receive now before you come. Yes, na people when they find house.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So I don't need any complaint. If you know say you go fit, you tell me. Make I tell you the procedure when join again. Cannot be shot.
Sir, I go fit, sir. Because na first station I dey sleep.
Okay.
I go fit.
You see this person when run so.
Yes, sir.
Abeg. Today na waiting. Today na 22 of August.
Yes, sir.
April on 10 you go dey pay me my money. If you not pay me on 10, you go move my ass. In fact, don't go pursue you, now you go pursue yourself. And that lady take run so with your husband, with the children. No way you go run. Everybody know me, now maybe Gaman landlord. Everybody know me as a Gaman landlord.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Yes, sir. So I tell you, you get what I tell you.
Yes, sir.
If you not hear me, I tell you again. I say, now once you dey bath a day, either you dey go work or you come back for work.
Yes, sir.
No go spoil my water.
Yes, sir.
And I want to marry. I go soon marry now.
Okay, sir.
You understand? So if my wife come and beg, respect what you give me, give her to her.
Yes, sir.
This man in the first place.
If she dey bedroom, no knock.
Okay, sir.
Anytime we see, even you don't need 2 days bedroom, no knock.
Yes, sir.
If me want bath or she want bath, if you don't come, you come out from bedroom. Yes, if you know say the bath so dey, clean body come out.
Here is
If you start again, no carry sense.
No, sir.
If you shout again, you know they carry sir. Are they wicked you?
No, sir.
Why can't they shout
Na
now?
a good person, sir.
Why can't they shout now?
But na train station dey sleep.
You won't go to let people they think are they wicked.
No, sir.
Now so now they talk say Europe landlord too wicked, Europe landlord too wicked. What do we do now?
No, sir.
Not my house.
Yes, sir.
Not me go tell you what I go do for my house.
Yes, sir.
Not try shout for here again. I tell you my mind.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Thank you.
So we'll deposit because this house now, and I can see myself. I don't even tell you how much they pay. This one room where you carry, now size big, size is big. Plus the plasma, the telly, everything, even the bed them. Not only you go to use them, you go like rent to you. But if you spoil anyone, you go pay.
Yes, sir.
You get book when you go sign for me.
Okay, sir.
If you spoil anyone, so before normally what they collect for house now 280, 250, but empty house now they rent. This was something they inside. You go pay me 350.
For only me one.
If you shout,
Okay, sir.
you know carry again.
No, sir.
350 you agree?
Yeah.
Deposit of 350 because what you pay for house you go pay enter.
Okay.
You agree?
Yes, sir.
Where the money?
Sir, tomorrow morning I go bring the money.
Oh God! If you don't, why don't you let me talk now? You not serious?
No, sir.
Maybe I call people wey serious.
No, sir.
I don't understand you.
No, sir. Please. I go bring the money come in the morning. I don't care.
What in the money? You want carry house, you don't want money?
No, first. I go bring I swear. I don't get.
Maybe you tell you truth. This house never be your own.
Okay,
If
sir.
I never see money, if it pass today, another person come, he go carry am.
Okay, sir. I go bring money in the morning.
You dey tell me say you sleep generation, wetin concern me?
No, sir.
You no make person me sleep generation when you come.
No, sir. No,
Before I get this house,
no,
I pay the sleep generation.
No, sir.
Na inside train to train I dey sleep.
No,
Guy dey know me. Wetin dey talk? You know many times I don go construct because of train station wey I dey sleep. Or you don go construct one. They don arrest you because of say you dey sleep for train station. Na why you come dey talk now? Man dey pity you. Guy, na your own o. You know this country body come on your own. No you use your own disturb me. You understand? I no dey pity person o.
Yes, sir.
You dey get me?
Yes, sir.
Na so we talk and reach.
Tomorrow morning, sir, which time you dey go work in the morning?
You say for morning tomorrow now because at least 5 o'clock in the morning I don move.
Okay, sir.
Go work.
Okay, sir.
Come back around 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
So how also you dey work?
Yes, sir. Partially.
You saw those ashawo when dey that place. You see them for us.
No, sir.
You see them don't go work. That muroba you see them for us.
No, sir.
I need serious people when they work.
Yes, sir.
Not just dey my house, just dey sleep. Dey waste be.
No, sir.
If you do am, if they bring beacon only you go pay. You agree?
Yes, sir.
If you dey house you no go anywhere, then bring the only you go pay. Okay, no problem. Nice doing business with you. So when you don come now, but now house never be your own o.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I pay the money cost.
Yes, house never be your own. If they come, you call me, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
God bless you, sir.
No problem.
Bless you, sir.
Okay now, see you tomorrow. This one when they do bless you. Not dey church o.
Bless you, sir.
Not be offering we dey give when they bless me.
Here
I
is
no dey give my
God.
money play o. Okay now I go be here.
Get sense.
Stop make them hear you.